player. Quarterback, no NFL. Drippin' in Chanel. Playing high, go see in the mansion with my little.
I don't even know if to say good morning, good afternoon, but good day, beautiful people. Welcome back to my second YouTube video ever. Today we're basically going to be breaking my car. Today what we're going to be doing is making more space in my rear wheel well, because ever since I bought new wheels, they've been rubbing on the car and I haven't been able to take my car out as much as I wanted to, because if it rubs, you know, I could pop the tire. So that is not good, no bueno. Today we're gonna fix that issue by hammering it and making more space back there. So anyways, I'm gonna take it for a drive right now so you guys can hear it.
Oh my god! What is that?
First things first, we gotta remove the tire so we can see what's underneath, and by doing that we jack it up from the pinch well in the rear. So I'm gonna jack. And not only that, we also gotta put some bricks under it since it's so low. I put my bricks on the frame of the car. And finally we're taking the tire off. Oof, so heavy. NASCAR should really hire me, because look at that beauty. It's off. Yes, that's how it's done. This is where it's rubbing. Now that we finished this side of my car, tomorrow we're going to do the left side. Let's get started. This is the gear. I'm shaking, guys. The blade is broken, so I need to go to Home Depot and get a new one. So I cut that piece already. We need a new blade so we could finish up to here, because that's where the fuel neck is for the gas. And to stop the sharpness from hitting the tire, we're just gonna bang it with the hammer.
The next day.
Guys, so this is how it looks so far. See the hole I cut? Then I cut over here. I had to cut just this little triangle. Had to call the radius expert for this one. Here this kind sir is radiusing my quarter panel, and he's making it nice and mint. So fine.
Stop. Now go slow. This is close. Slow. Fucking tight. That's so tight. That's like hit me.
Quick little story time. I pulled up to the gas station and I asked my boyfriend to back into a parking spot, and he f***ed up my car. That's how it looks, but you know what, it's okay, it could be fixed. I thought it was worse. I thought it was like right here. I was like, yeah, it's over, but it's actually the corner and it looks like it's dented in, so maybe I can push it back out. Okay guys, well, to explain what really happened, I drove it down to 7-Eleven for some gas, and then I parked on the wrong side because I thought my fuel tank was on the right side. So I parked on the right side, and we were kind of in a rush, so I didn't want to get stuck or backing up or going forward. So I asked my boyfriend to back up for me into the pump on the left, and so he did. But for some reason he sent it with the beamer being behind the cord. I don't know what happened. He'll probably make a video explaining to what happened in his head, so I'll put a link to it right here or something. I'm not gonna lie, I am upset, but you know, accidents happen. Accidents happens for a reason. I know this could be fixable, so I'm not that mad, that upset. But as you guys can see, it's just a little corner, and I feel like I could pop it back out, but I'm not gonna touch it until I get some good advice from everybody, from you guys. So please go comment down below what I should do. As for today's video, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys killed it on my first YouTube video ever, and I appreciate every single one of you that gave a like, that shared it, that commented. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys made me feel so special, and especially since it was my first video ever, I didn't expect that much love. I expected like 200 views, 2 likes, 3 comments, but no, you guys outdid yourself. I have like 2,000 views on that video. I have like 300 likes. I'm not sure on the accuracy of right now, but I have some numbers there for my first YouTube video, which is amazing, which is outstanding. So I'm really thankful for that. Like I said, hopefully I get better at making these videos, at editing, at talking to the camera. Comment down below on how I did on this beautiful video that I made for you guys. Anyways, see you guys next time in my next video. Peace.